Men fulfill their physical needs by paying. A prostitute charges $200 per session. OnlyFans creators earn through subscriptions. Pornhub creators get ad revenue. But some women? They not only satisfy a man's physical needs, but also take care of his life, support him emotionally, and ask for nothing in return. Not a single cent. They split bills, cover their own expenses, and never feel like they owe a man anything. They believe that's what a good girlfriend should do. And yet, they mock prostitutes, calling them cheap for exchanging intimacy for money. But the truth? A man sees you as the cheaper one because you're completely free. Hi, I'm Isabella, and today I'm going to tell you exactly how men think and teach you the power of equal exchange. If you don't understand this concept, it doesn't matter if you date 100 men. 100 times, you will fail. Don't look down on prostitutes. At least they understand equal exchange. Many women, however, give everything away in the name of love, becoming free housekeepers, baby-making machines, and emotional punching bags. Do you know that love is just a fantasy women create for themselves? In a man's world, there is no such thing as pure love. Ask your boyfriend to define your relationship. He won't say, "Because I love you." Instead, he'll say things like, "You're fun to be around," "You help me in many ways," or "You're beautiful and it feels good to be with you." Men are rational creatures. They don't act on emotions the way women do. Every relationship they enter has a purpose. Put simply, men are with you because they see value in you. That value could be sexual, financial, or emotional. If you're beautiful, being with you makes him feel powerful. That's emotional value. At the end of the day, a man dates you to gain value. You might say, "No, Isabella, we fell in love at first sight." Let me tell you, love at first sight is just lust at first sight. Others say, "No, Isabella, we grew to love each other over time." No, that is simply a calculated decision based on pros and cons. You might ask, so does love even exist? If you've been with a man for years, he might grow to love you. But even then, his love is conditional, based on how comfortable he feels with you, whether you're still useful to him, or whether you're independent enough not to burden him. Men and women are different. A woman can fall in love because she feels something, ignoring all logic, sacrificing everything. A man? The moment you stop providing value, he'll get bored, he'll cheat, and eventually, he'll leave. The only people who will love you unconditionally? Your parents. Even if you're sick, disfigured, or penniless, they will still love you and care for you. Your boyfriend? Not so much. Now that you understand men are with you for the value you provide, not out of pure love, you must learn equal exchange. If you give, you must receive. If you keep giving without asking for anything, one day, when he has drained you of all your value, he will leave. That's inevitable. Have you ever seen a man who, after becoming successful, starts criticizing his wife? Saying she's gotten fat, lost her looks, lacks ambition? Bragging about younger female colleagues admiring him? Here's the reality. He used up his wife's value when she was young. He let her have his children, stay home, raise the kids, and disconnect from society. And, when her value was drained, he discarded her. So remember what I'm telling you today. From now on, when you meet a man, don't think about loving him. Think about what value he brings to the table. Does he have financial value to support your lifestyle? Can he offer emotional value and provide you with security and reassurance? If the only reason you're with a man is because he's nice to you, you're foolish. If you value his money, at least you'll get a better quality of life. If you value his looks, at least he's pleasing to the eye and your kids will be attractive. But if you only value how nice he is, what happens when he stops being nice? You'll be left with nothing. A man can be nice today and cold tomorrow, loving today and distant next year. Many women, after marriage, turn into servants, constantly busy, constantly complaining their husbands don't help. Of course not, because they never trained their men. Today, I will teach you exactly how to train a man. It's simple. From the very beginning, he must understand you are not free. If he wants something from you, he must give something in return. You don't need to say it out loud. your actions will speak for you. If he takes you to dinner, you dress up, look stunning, and give him a confidence boost. That meal, he pays for it. You provide emotional value, he provides financial value. If he confides in you, you listen, support him, and lift him up. Next time you need something, a gift, help with errands, he must say yes. If you cook, clean, and manage the home, he must cover most of the household expenses. You must train him to invest in you. If he wants anything from you, he must give something in return. Show him through actions. You will never give without receiving. If you constantly feel manipulated by men, check the description box. My email is there. I'll help you take back control. And if you're tired of failed relationships, sign up for my SMART program now and learn how to master men and become the winner in love. Details are in the description and at the end of this video. Let's recap today's key lessons. 1. Men don't date for love. They date for value, whether it's looks, money, or emotional support. 2. Women who don't understand equal exchange will end up drained and abandoned. 3. A man's love is conditional. The moment your value decreases, he may cheat or leave. 4. Train men to invest in you. If he wants something, he must give something. 5. Actions speak louder than words. Show him through behavior that you're not free. 6. Free things aren't valued. When you stop being free, you gain power in relationships. Remember, equal exchange is the golden rule of relationships. I'm Isabella, the only one who truly teaches you how to control a man's mind. See you next week. Are you still getting hurt over and over in love? Do men never seem fully invested in you? Do you find yourself exhausted from giving too much? Do you really think it's a coincidence you're hearing about Isabella's program today? Absolutely not. This is fate stepping in, giving you a chance to rewrite your story. Isabella's SMART program isn't about teaching you how to please men. It's about teaching you how to master them, how to make them invest, get addicted, and happily devote themselves to you for life. You'll learn how to spot trustworthy men, guide them to give more, and use powerful psychological strategies that deepen their love for you. Remember, the game of love has rules. Those who know the rules win. Those who don't, they lose, again and again. Most people never get a second chance to turn their love life around. Don't waste yours. Click the link in the description now and let Isabella show you how to turn the tables and win in love.